Hello guys, welcome to SEO on. On this channel, I'm going to tell you about how to use SEMrush for keyword research. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use this tool to get most easy keywords for your domain, so that you can rank it on the Google's first page. So let's get started without wasting any much time. So number one thing you have to do is go to the SEMrush and make an account. It's really easy. You just go to the Google, type semrush.com, and it will prompt you to make an account. You make an account, you log in, you click, this thing will show up. Click on the domain overview, and the thing you will see is this. The first display you will see is this. Now on this domain, what you have to do is just type whatever the domain you have. Suppose I have a website that is based on e-commerce and I sell shoes on it. So what is the biggest shoe seller in my country? Suppose I live in India. So what I can do is I can take any multi-level owners which sells clothes, shoes and everything. So I'll just type rgo.com and it will show me all the statistics that there is of the domain. Once it is all complete analyzing everything, backlinks, authority score, organic search, everything, after that all you have to do is just look for top organic keywords. Now once you see this, click on the view details. Now after clicking on it, search for two things. Number one is the keyword difficulty. If you are starting new and you have a new domain, I would suggest keeping this range from 0 to 35, because it is kind of a rule that if you have an easy domain, you will need keywords that has not much backlinks or not have much competitive market on it. So you have to choose easy keywords for it. So what you can do is just go to this KD pop-up and click on it and just use this, and then the drop down menu, and just type 0 to 35 and then click on apply. After clicking on apply, you will see all these type of keywords. Okay, now these are all easy keywords which are ranking from position 1 to 100. Now suppose you only want top 10 keywords, there is filter for that here as well. You can just go to 0 to 20 and just click on apply. Now you have all the keywords that are clicking from 0 to 20. You can either export them or you can just use the data from here as well. So this is how you do basic keyword research without specifying any specific niche. Now suppose I just tell you that I'm a e-commerce owner and I have a shoe store. So what I can do is I can just filter the keyword from here itself, and it will tell me whatever the shoes that are ranking on the Google's top page for this domain, and that which is easy for my domain also. So I can just use these keywords on my domain which does not include their brand name and do the do anything like publishing the page, making same niche, you're making shoes for it, or making a page that features the same shoes that they are featuring it. You can just click on it and then see, oh, what is this? Oh look, I can make same page, same representation, use the same keywords or anything like that. So this is how you do basic keyword research on SEMrush. I hope you like this video. Please click subscribe and click on the like button if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.